Sometimes you gotta hit people where it hurt at with a little positive energy only. Motivation. Self-love. Ooh, self-love. Ooh, girl, go on and get you some of that self-love. Self-love, L-O-V-E-E-E. You gotta hit them with a little. Oh, you thought I was feeling you? I'm not. I'm in love with myself. Positive energy this morning. If it ain't positive, just tell it. Go ahead and go like the Sonny Black. Shoot fly, don't bother me. Shoot fly, don't bother me. Shoot fly, don't bother me. I only want positive. I don't want no negative. Shoot fly, don't bother me. Shoot fly, don't bother me. Shoot fly, don't bother me. I only want positive energy. Listen, go ahead and pour that positive this morning. Listen, man, you got to be geeked up about yourself. I don't care who you is, what you worshiping, what you praying, what religion you is, what you got, how much money you got, man. Still pouring some positive. Still putting that motivation. Still putting that self-care. Still put on your best outfit. Still know that you are the one. Never feel less. And never let social media make you feel less about yourself. And never worry about what they feel or think, because you are phenomenal.